Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Archana's Teaching Up. In today's class, we are going to discuss English pedagogy for teaching aptitude, which is extremely important for exam like UGC NET, MS CET, CTET and TET. In this lecture, we will understand what is English pedagogy, objectives of teaching English, four language skills, methods of teaching English, role of teacher and learner. So, watch this class till the end because this topic is very important for your exam. Pedagogy means the science and art of teaching. In English language teaching, pedagogy refers to methods, strategies, and techniques used to teach English effectively. Focus of English pedagogy, language skills development, communication ability, grammar understanding, vocabulary building, reading and writing skills. Modern pedagogy focuses on communication rather than rote memorization. Objectives of teaching English. The main objectives are first, develop communication skills. Students should express ideas clearly. Second, improve listening and speaking, understanding spoken English. Third, reading comprehension, understanding text, stories, and passages. Four, writing skills, writing essays, letters, and answers correctly. Fifth, vocabulary development, increasing word knowledge. Six, correct pronunciation and grammar. Third, language skills in English pedagogy. There are four basic language skills. First, listening skill, understanding spoken language. For examples, listening to teacher instructions, listening to stories or audio. Second, speaking skill, ability to express idea orally. For example, con- conservation, classroom discussion, debate. Third, reading skill, understanding a written text, for example, reading stories, reading comprehension. For writing skill, expressing ideas in a written words, for example, essays, letters, paragraph writing. Listening and reading is a respective skills. Speaking and writing is a productive skills. For methods of teaching English, first grammar translation method, old traditional method, features focus on grammar rules, translation from mother tongue to English, teacher centered, limitation, students cannot speak English fluently. Second, direct method, English is taught directly without translation. Features, use of pictures and gestures, speaking is empathized, vocabulary taught through context. Audio-lingual method, based on behaviorism theory, features repetition and drilling, dialogue practice, habit formation. For example, teacher repeats a sentence and students imitate. For communicative language teaching, most modern and widely used method focuses communication, real life situations, student interaction. Examples, role play, group discussion, peer work. Fifth, principles of language teaching. Important pedagogical principles. First, from simple to complex. Second, from known to unknown. Third, from concrete to abstract. Fourth, learning by doing. Fifth, child centered learning. Sixth, teaching aids in English pedagogy. Teaching aids make learning interesting and effective. For example, flashcards, charts, pictures, audio recordings, videos, language labs. 7. Role of teacher in English pedagogy. A teacher should act as a facilitator, guide, motivator, language model. Teachers should encourage students to participate actively in a communication. 8. Role of learner. Students should participate in a discussions, ask questions, practice speaking English, engage in a group activities. 9. Evaluation in English teaching. Assessment methods include: first, written test; second, oral test; third, reading comprehension; fourth, dictation; fifth, presentation. Evaluation should focus on communication ability, not only grammar. 10. Importance of English pedagogy. English pedagogy helps develop language proficiency, improve communication skills, build confidence, prepare students for global opportunities. English pedagogy focuses on language skill, teaching methods, child centered teaching, communication based learning, effective evaluation techniques. So, this was our complete discussion on English pedagogy for teaching aptitude. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the Archana's Teaching Hub for more UGC NET, CET, CTET, and TET preparation classes. See you in the next class. Thank you.